Hi everyone, Caroline here. There are many types of quartz crystals, but what type of quartz crystal should you be using and for what? What type of quartz crystal should you be working with or wearing for your specific situation? You know, it's very important for crystal lovers or for those who are working with crystals for therapeutic healing purposes or even for energetic purposes to know what type of crystal they're working with. To know what the crystal they're working with is helping them achieve. So we are not just blindly working with these spiritual tools and crystals and hoping for the best, or we are not just spending money buying more and more crystals, and yet the many crystals that we have at home, which are also still very, very effective, are not being put into use. You know, the thing is, once we have woken up, we just gotta be conscious about how we are using our spiritual tools. And so I'm very, very excited to make this video with a specific focus on quartz crystals because I know almost everyone has some type of quartz crystal somewhere, and therefore the information in this video might be useful for you. Okay, there are so many types of quartz crystals: clear quartz, blue quartz, lithium quartz, rose quartz, amethyst, rutilated quartz, citrine, smoky quartz, tangerine quartz, titanium quartz, tourmalinated quartz, milky quartz, celestial quartz, skeletal quartz, Tibetan quartz, all types of quartz, you name it, it's there. And they come in many colors: clear quartz, rose quartz pink, amethyst purple, citrine yellow or champagne, smoky quartz brown. And these different colors are caused by the chemical composition within the crystal. For example, manganese chemical, which is very good for the heart and for the immune system, is found in amethyst. And then crystals like lithium quartz have lithium within them, hence the name. The different crystal colors are also caused by irradiation, whether it's natural irradiation or irradiation done by man to give it its color. And also the colors can sometimes be caused by temperature changes. For example, if you have a crystal like clear quartz and you expose it to high heat or you leave it out in the sun for long periods of time, it might become smoky quartz. So those are some of the ways that quartz crystals get their colors that make them so different. But in general, it's important to know that the different colors of the crystals help to remove blocked energy. The different colors help to remove stagnant energy within the body because the energy of the different colors direct the effects of the stone to different chakras and also to specific organs of the body like the kidneys, the liver, the blood, the heart, the brain, and also to different meridians in the body. And this is why color therapy is so important. And I am personally enjoying working with colors. And I'm going to be sharing so much more about colors and crystals and how they work because I think it is something that is so crucial to know because there's a wisdom there that can help in our healing and in our energy work process. These things are so good. They're so useful to know. Anyway, the relationship between crystal colors and the organs in your body is very, very important. For example, if you have a dark smoky quartz, its energies target the kidneys. And we know that energetically, the kidneys hold fear. So if you are feeling fearful or you have a situation with your kidneys, the type of quartz crystals that you might want to work with is dark smoky quartz. Smoky quartz would support you through the process of eliminating fear, which is energetically held in your kidneys. And smoky quartz is also good for energetic work in the lower regions of your body. So consider working with it if those areas are affected. Okay, if you have digestive health issues, or if you have trouble digesting things, if you have trouble digesting information or taking in information or processing information, or if you're holding on to things and you're not letting go, and now you are constipated and you're backed up because you're not letting go. You're taking in information, you're processing it, but then you have trouble letting it go, and it's all backed up in there. There is good news for you. Citrine is a great quartz crystal that you can use to help you release that stuff, to let go of stuff from your physical body and also from your energetic body. You know, we just gotta let things go. We just got to let things go, okay? It's not even worth it. Let it go. Work with citrine to let it go. Release. Okay? Yeah, all right. Let's move on to rose quartz. Rose quartz targets the heart area. It opens up the chest area, which we know is about love, it's about giving, it's about receiving, it's about compassion. So if you're blocked in those areas, or you have issues with your chest or with your heart, consider working with rose quartz as a crystal to support that process. And then there's amethyst. Amethyst affects the upper senses and the upper chakras, starting from your throat, your third eye, your crown chakra, and above. So that means that you can use amethyst for physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual situations that affect your neck area, your face area, your psychic senses, your brain. And really, amethyst is just such a beautiful, uplifting crystal. It works on the upper chakras. It clears the energies in the upper chakras. And if you don't already have an amethyst crystal, you're missing out. You better get one, okay? Yeah, you better get one. Okay, another thing to consider when choosing quartz crystals for your physical body is whether the quartz crystal is clear or whether the quartz crystal is cloudy or milky. What does a clear quartz crystal do for your physical body? And what does a milky or cloudy quartz crystal do for you? These are important things to think about. Here's the thing. These cloudy, milky quartz crystals are crystals which are more nourishing in nature. They take care of you. They pamper you. They fill you with goodness, and they're more feminine in nature. They have a yin energy behind them. And they are great for targeting emotions which cause physical conditions, and also for the blood. So whenever you just want to feel nourished, or you just want to process or eliminate unwanted emotions, you can work with the gentle yin feminine energies of cloudy or milky quartz crystals. The clear, bright quartz crystals have a more masculine, yang energy. They are more active. They are more direct. They don't play. They move energy. They do their job. They clear stuff out real good. They're like, boom. I just love them. So good. Anyway, those are just a few common quartz crystals that you can use in a more targeted way for any specific issues that you're facing or for particular areas in your body. And for sure, we got to know how to use our spiritual tools so we are not wasting time or we are not spending money. And let me know in the comment section below what type of quartz crystal you are currently using and for what. And also, if you need assistance on how to work with your spiritual tools, hit me up at caroline@crystalstock.com. And until next time, guys, I love you.